Hey everybody, Eric here, and I just feel like I need to get up on my soapbox about something for a minute. This was posted in a Facebook group earlier today, and I just wanted to point out that if we don't take our jobs seriously, neither will our customers and neither will the rest of the industry. Posting things or having things in your email signatures, particularly your email signature that is going to all of your clients. You should not have death threats. You should not have wording that, and by the way, I'm quoting here, if its contents are disclosed, our lawyers will swoop down from helicopters, smash through the skylight nearest you, and drag you away with a black bag over your head. Now, it continues to say, they will then take you to our super secret headquarters and make you fight to the death with other people who shared this email. This is totally inappropriate for a business email. And I know there's a lot of you who are going to disagree, and I know the original poster of this is going to disagree. But ladies and gentlemen, we are in control of the IT systems, the critical data for the largest group of businesses in the world, the small to medium-sized business owners. If we don't start taking ourselves seriously, neither will they. And by the way, all the stuff that's going on in this world today with security and data breaches and ransomware, that's serious stuff. That can put your clients out of business. And if this is how you take this industry, and this is the seriousness, the professionalism that you put forth in this industry, I'm not going to choose you as my IT services provider because my business is critical to me and it needs to be critical to you. Thank you for taking a couple of moments to watch this. I apologize if I offended some, but I feel like this industry needs to get a kick in its butt when it comes to professionalism. And not everybody has a problem with this. There are plenty of you out there. I would say the majority of you out there are professional and acting as such. But there is a minority that is bringing this industry down. And I'm sorry, that's the way I feel. Soapbox over.